This is Pioneer's AVH-220EX. This is a 2-DIN AM/FM, CD, and DVD receiver with a 6.2-inch touchscreen and built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The Bluetooth system is designed to work with your Android phone and your iPhone. It can play back videos and music from a USB flash drive. There are 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers and a built-in 13-band graphic EQ. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right, let's pop this open here. And the first thing we have is the wire harness. Now, we use the wire harness here to connect power and ground and all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver over to your vehicle. Next thing up, next thing up here is the mounting screws. Got a handful of mounting screws there. Then we have the Bluetooth microphone. Now we'll use the Bluetooth microphone here for hands-free calling. You can mount it up in the headliner, up near where the driver sits, something like that. It comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for very flexible installation. And then we have the USB extension cable. So the USB port is on the back of this receiver, and we include a USB extension cable in the box so that you can bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle. Next up, we have the Quick Start Guide. There's the Quick Start Guide. And remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual for this product right onto your cell phone in PDF form from pioneerelectronics.com. And the last thing we have here is the warranty card. All right, there's the warranty card. And let's pull the receiver up out of here. There we go. The front panel of the AVH-220EX has the volume control right here. The home button is here. The system features multicolor illumination. The CD and DVD slot is across the top. You'll do most of your interaction with the in-dash receiver with the 6.2-inch touchscreen. On the back panel of the AVH-220EX, we'll start off with the USB-A port here. You can use this to play back music and movies from a USB flash drive. And remember, we include a USB extension in the box to bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle. The yellow port here is the video output. The brown jack here is the dedicated backup camera input, and it's designed for use with the optional ND-BC8 backup camera from Pioneer. This is the audio and video auxiliary input 3.5mm jack. And next we have 3 sets of 2-volt RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They are set up as front, rear, and subwoofer output. On the other side, the wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. The Pioneer AVH-220EX has a built-in amplifier that's designed to operate with up to 4 speakers in your vehicle. The black jack on top here is to plug in the Bluetooth microphone included with the in-dash receiver for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls. The one on the bottom is for operating your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. And finally, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. And that is Pioneer's AVH-220EX and what's in the box.